The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) has confirmed that they arrested popular Nigerian activist Martins Vincent Otse, also known as VeryDarkMan (VDM). The EFCC spokesperson Dele Oyewale told BBC News Pidgin that VDM was arrested because several people sent petitions, formal complaints against him. Oyewale said, "We arrested him to answer the allegations made by these people." He also said that the EFCC will take the case to court soon, and that VeryDarkMan will be released once he meets his bail conditions. The arrest happened in Abuja. On Friday, people started talking online about VDM being missing. Some said he was arrested by the EFCC inside GT Bank. His fans started protesting online, and some even threatened to act against the bank.
These people don't know they mess with the wrong person. I mean, they mess with the whole country because see as VDM, small VDM, see as he block road, who's small? See as he block road. Only VDM, I'm block this guy. Yes, free VDM, see as he block road. They mess with the freaking wrong person. He has done nothing wrong. Free VDM, free VDM. Yeah, see, oh, VDM, I'm block this road, oh. You see? VDM don't block road. VDM don't block road. You see? VDM don't block road. VDM don't block road. VDM, free VDM. You see? Free VDM. VDM is not a thief.
However, GT Bank has not made an official statement about the issue. In a video seen on VDM's Facebook page, some of his fans went to the EFCC office with food for him, but they were told they couldn't see him or give him food.
We standing on that day that may nobody see him for today, even food. May nobody can't give him food, say them they'll give him food. So give him food.
Wait, say they'll give him food. Now they won't give him food.
Say man, we know about food, say them, ain't go chop for them, we don't worry about food.
Now they won't give him food.
Now then, now who else will give them food?
Shey una see this when I talk say they plan to do what they want to do. More they go, no wala. Nigerians like more they go. No wala. But what happen now? Eh? You know the dog. You know what you have? What you have there?
Say standing order to not give him food, to not see him, to not open his cell. Capiche? Nobody can see him until we talk to that CIO.
Until on Monday, and that's only on Monday.
Wait. So now as we stand like this now, what do you go do?
We'll try.
They will give him food. So anyway, go do.
No, me, I don't tell them, so we don't really trust anything with them. We'll try to get that guy number, call him, try reason with him.
No one, anything with the game.
No problem. Where your phone?
Many Nigerians on social media are calling for VDM to be released. Peter Obi, a former presidential candidate, and singer Davido both commented on the situation. Davido asked for VDM's release, while Peter Obi said the way he was arrested looked like the kidnapping. Activist Omoyele Sowore arrested EFCC is trying to silence VDM because he speaks out against corruption. VDM's lawyer, Deji Adeyoju, confirmed that the EFCC arrested his client, but they are not happy with how it happened. The lawyer said they will keep working to get VDM released, and are upset that the EFCC didn't tell them exactly what was wrong. VeryDarkMan, who is known to be a Nigerian activist and self-proclaimed philanthropist, is known for calling out government corruption and lawbreakers on social media. Because of his outspoken style, he has been arrested many times and still has several court cases. Many Nigerians are watching to see what will happen next with this case. You can as well share your thoughts in the comment box section below. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.